Did I trick you? I hope I did. Hey guys, it's Brio17 today, and I'm going to be doing my slime collection. Hey. Asher, come here. Come here, Asher boy. My dog is too lazy to get up. That's my dog, Asher. Yeah, my room's kind of a mess. Don't mind it. But he's so pretty. Oh, look at your eye. Oh, he's so pretty. But soon... Oh. It's empty. Yeah. Let's get on to the video. Alright. So the first slime is this really pretty slime. It is fluffy slime. And I call it cloud fluff because I don't know. Kind of looks like a cloud. In the camera it looks different, but really it's not. But yeah, this one has really good bubbles. Oh. See, stretches really good. And then it pokes really good as well. My mom already got a notification. And then, yep, so I need to clean my room. Then the second slime. This is like everybody's sleeping in my house right now besides me and my dog. Me and my dog are always the latest ones up. So yeah, it's like 1 in the morning. I can't sleep at all. No, about 2 in the morning. Let me check. Oh, it's actually about 3 o'clock. Spotlight. Alright, so I have to hurry up with this. Okay, so here this one is. It stretches good, blah, blah, blah. It's kind of sticky. Alright, so there was that slime, and then the next slime is this. Ooh, was clear slime. Used to be clear slime till I kind of dyed it because I felt like it. Yes, I'm wearing my dad's t-shirt. Okay, so here are the pokes. Okay, and then here's how it stretches. It doesn't stretch that good, not good at all. I mean, it stretches okay. And then, you see how it's like all black and lame? Ready for this? Oh crap, hold on. Let me just let it settle down so I can stretch it. Alright. It's blue, it's actually a really dark blue. So yeah, it's a really cool slime. So where's so on to the next slime. Last slime. I only have a few slimes. Well, I have more than this, but some are at my friend's house. So this is the slime I'm giving away in the giveaway. Shout out, giveaway. So went to Taco Bell. Good. Alright. Dad's cooking. My dad was cooking brownies, but they're all done. He's letting them cool off. Well, really, I'm letting them cool off because he fell asleep. But yeah, okay, and there. Well, the slime stretches really, really good. So yeah, it pokes awesome. The texture of it is definitely 100. It's jiggly, 100% jiggly. And then, yeah, boy. Okay, well, that was the end of the video. Bye-bye, soccer.